Hey, just doing a quick little video here this morning. You guys see me do a lot of audio work. So this morning on the bench, we've got a computer that came in. This is from my local, the Bluff Roundup Rodeo Association. This computer is one of their computers that's in the back of their office. It's got a lot of pictures and stuff on it. So the director asked me if I could come and grab this machine and do a backup of what's on it and then make a backup of the backup. So, and then as I was there talking to him, I guess we're going to go ahead and get a NAS for them and get that installed and get some backup storage and whatnot going for them, which is something that they don't currently have. So I just want to do this quick little video to show you guys I do a lot of computer work, not just audio work. I mean, I've been mainly in the computer industry for the last 20 or 25 years, really. So, but yeah, so I just wanted to do this quick little video and, let you guys know what the project for today was. I mean, this isn't the only project, but this is the first project I'm working on this morning. I've got parts coming in today for a couple other computers I've got sitting over here in the corner. Waiting on parts for the Pioneer receiver. Still trying to track down a replacement motor for the AR turntable that's done other than the damn motor. And so, yeah, I got a lot of stuff going on, so I just wanted to do a quick video and share with you guys what's going on for this Monday. So anyway, I'll see you guys later.